Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some partly cloudy and mostly sunny skies across the area this morning. Seeing temperatures warm today into the mid to upper 60s across the area with a fairly strong northeasterly wind capping our temperatures along the coast. We're going to see those winds just under wind advisory criteria today, so gusting about 23 knots. We'll see no chance of precipitation or lightning today, so a good day or a fair weather day to end the work week rather than those strong onshore winds just under wind advisory criteria. So moving to our sounding from this morning, freezing level 11,100 feet, winds out of the northeast. And low levels, seeing that peak around 3,000 feet, 27 knots, then becoming more northerly around 9,000 knots, and lightning to about 10 knots between 9 and 12,000 feet, and then increasing as we move up in the upper levels out of the west at 32 knots, 25,000 feet this morning. Taking a look at current surface analysis, we have an area low pressure that's currently off the Florida-Georgia coastline that's going to be moving towards our region for Sunday and Monday, giving us some rain showers for Sunday, and then looks like some showers and thunderstorms for Monday. High pressure currently across the Great Lakes in New England, ridging down to our area, keeping that area low pressure across that region today. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see a stream of upper-level cirrus cloudiness across the region this morning. That's going to be the case through the remainder of the day today. Taking a look at the European model for the next 2 days, here's Friday into Saturday. Looks like good weather for both days. Saturday will be a bit breezier than today with a wind advisory expected. Stronger winds out of the northeast for tomorrow. And then moving to Sunday, you can see some rain showers approaching, mainly along the southern Delmarva for Sunday, but possibly could see that across the central Delmarva as well Sunday afternoon. Going to see some breezy conditions once again for Sunday, so possibility of wind advisory again. And moving into Monday, looks like we're going to have a fairly decent chance of some rain showers, a good fetch off the Atlantic Ocean, upper level low associated with that surface area low pressure across the North Carolina region. That's going to give us good fetches of moisture, as I mentioned, and a chance of showers and thunderstorms throughout the day from Memorial Day. Memorial Day looks like a fairly bad weather day across the region with chances of showers, thunderstorms, as well as low clouds across the region. So when it's not raining, looks like we'll have some mist or drizzle across the area. Not a complete washout for Memorial Day, but looks like it's going to be fairly unsettled throughout the day. And moving into Tuesday, looks like that area of low pressure kind of lingers across the region. That's going to give us an additional chance of showers for Tuesday morning especially. Looks like the area of high pressure starts to ridge down the coastal plain of the northeast and mid-Atlantic for Tuesday afternoon, giving us some stronger winds once again. And for Wednesday, looks like we'll have possibility of a pop-up shower. Most likely won't see it across the region, but continued fairly cooler conditions for this time of year with onshore flow. Then the Thursday into Friday looks like we're really going to see a warm up across the region, seeing temperatures possibly 80 to possibly 90 degrees inland once we move into late next week into the weekend of first weekend of June. So it looks like that summer weather will finally be upon us once we move into the first weekend of June. Taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll see some temperatures in the upper 60s I mentioned today, especially on the coastline, 70s inland. We'll see overnight lows in the mid-50s with those northeasterly winds today peaking during the afternoon, northeast 12 to 17 knots, gusts 22 to 23 knots. So can't rule out a random gust 25 knots and highlight that with a 20% chance of a wind advisory today. And we'll see some stronger winds start to move onshore by tomorrow morning. It's likely about 7:30 to 8 local. We'll see those winds pick up northeast 10 to 15 knots, gusting 23. As we move into our 24-hour terminal forecast, we're going to see VFR conditions in the next 24 hours, primarily just that upper-level cirrus cloudiness across the region. And our tides running about a half to 1 foot above normal currently. Looking at Saturday and Sunday. Saturday, mostly cloudy and breezy with onshore flow. A high of 66 degrees. We'll see those winds sustained around 20 knots in the afternoon on Saturday, gusting higher. So it'll be a windy day for tomorrow. For Saturday night, mostly cloudy overcast with a slight chance of rain shower moving onshore, breezy onshore flow continuing, low of 58 degrees. And for Sunday, overcast and breezy, low clouds and scattered rain showers, slight chance of thunderstorm as well. We'll see a high of 66 degrees. We'll see those chances of rain showers around 67% on Sunday, especially in the afternoon, evening hours. Slight chance of a thunderstorm here, right on the borderline between highlighting this yellow and staying green, so a slight chance of seeing that. And looking at our winds, around 25 knots in the afternoon on Sunday, and as well as some low clouds possible. So looking at the next 7 days, 2 dry days for today and tomorrow. Then we see some unsettled conditions moving in for Sunday into Monday. Monday looks a little bit warmer across the region. Temperatures in the lower 70s most likely, but we're going to have a good chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms, low clouds across the region. More humid on Monday as well. Tuesday into Wednesday, going to see temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s with better chance of rainfall on Tuesday as that system be closer to the region. Not seeing as good of a chance of thunderstorms on Tuesday as is Monday, but going to see those showers in the region. Isolated shower possible Wednesday afternoon. And then for Thursday, as I mentioned, seeing that warmer weather start to move in. Mostly to partly cloudy. Looks like could be seeing some low cloud ceilings for Thursday morning, but should see that move out of the region by Thursday afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s, lower 80s. And as I mentioned, for Friday into the weekend of the first weekend of June, should see those temperatures really start to move up into the 80s, possibly 90s inland. So seeing those summertime type temperatures moving into the forecast once we move into late next week. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great extended weekend and tomorrow, Memorial Day. We'll be back on Tuesday morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.